All right, same day. Just
That's not gonna be very smart.
well, be careful. Perfect. Okay, so taking the back pulley out. Yeah, here we go. What else there is to say?
I want to sweep the floor first.
That's a good idea.
Might want to move the motor first.
Well, there was really only one way.
Well, if it's in reverse, then here, watch.
No. Correct.
Move this. And then
No,
scoot
just
back.
pull it forward. It's in neutral.
I need to get this shit in the front this week.
We'll move it forward first. This is gonna be a really long video that I gotta edit.
Well, that might be last a bit. So. We can just add each other's channels into the more channels.
Yeah. Okay. There you go.
Where the fuck am I gonna scoop this out of? Yes, perfect. Now just don't move the motor anymore. Back and forth.
Well, it's gonna go up and down. Ah, we might actually have to have the garage door all the way open. Actually, but be what's gonna have to be.
There you go. Try to work the way down.
Yeah.
I'm pretty sure you just the one I shook up earlier. How many eggs do?
Okay, here. Get you a needle nose. What you're gonna do is here, show you. You take, you see how there's like two slits? You grab one of those slits and fit this under, it's gonna slide it up like that. It comes out, okay?
Yeah, let's do this.
Yep. So you pull, and then just slide the tire off gently. There's gonna be a key that's gonna try and come out. Or let it come out actually. Whoa.
Not on a jack stand.
Yeah, hold on.
Is this the one with the tube in it?
No.
Or is that the front tire?
Front tire. It doesn't matter. Yeah, we got jacks in. They're all gone.
They're under the ladder. Move on.
What the? We should only need one.
Here, you got it.
I think if you slide the tire at the same time, it should be okay. Here. Aha. It is exactly what I wanted to do. Come on.
No, I'm not here for that fucking face. That little rod there. It's gonna be our problematic little guy, but
Like that, I think we should be okay. I'm gonna let the jacks in a little bit. Because Rusty and the jacks in too. Okay. Start to barely lift. Okay. Now pull your tire off. What are you doing? Ready? Slide it off.
little key.
Yeah, just pull it off.
What little
Pull the damn tire off. What I'm doing. There you go.
damn chill.
Looks like you were just sitting there.
Oh no.
It's hard to tell. Okay. So okay, here's the key. Just see it on the drive shaft area. On the shaft, or it's actually in the tire still.
In the tires.
Or does it not have a key? It doesn't matter. It's in the tire already.
I don't know what kind of key. But no, I don't see anything.
It's alright. Alright.
Is it like a circle? The circle is.
No, it's not a circle. Just leave everything else. Now. Oh shit, I forgot about the pair. What was this to do? Whoa. We need to set the parking brake. Okay? Parking brake set. Get that away. From there. Alright. So. For the part I messed up. Why are you just laying down?
Looking under here.
There's figure out how this comes off again. Okay, so it's one nut. I can't see shit. I don't remember what the millimeter is. I'm gonna worry about getting the belt off when it comes to the time. Hopefully this is entertaining. You know, a lot of this will be edited out. I don't remember if it was a 15, 14, 13, or 16. One of those. I'll tell you that right now. Ooh, I guessed right. Is this maybe a little sketchy? Yes. Am I worried? No. Okay, what do I do with my ratchet? Ratchet, where did you go? You naughty, naughty. Oh, son of a bitch. Really?
Black ratchet.
Nope. So,
Probably file everything else again. We still have that blue. You said the green one. I don't know where the blue one is. Silver ratchet. You need this right here.
no. Well, this will work though. It wasn't this one specifically, but I think it's all loosened. Yeah, alright.
One of them.
So, there's a shift lever. I'm gonna get a little bit away from. Crack it. So I don't know if I'm ready to move.
I can throw it out of the garage.
Huh?
I can roll right out of the garage.
Too. Don't make me fucking hold you. Piece of shit. This is what I hated. Because my neck would cramp up because I was down on the rocks. So this shit sucks to do. Just trust me, Brett. Oh, fuck. This is going to be a not clean video. I can tell you that right now. Because this sucks to do. Because of how tight and confined it is. Could be worse, but it's not a job I like doing. On that for a minute. We're going to get the rest of this and we'll do that last. Okay. Kind of really wanted to because we got to pull the rest of this shit apart. Ah!
My shoulder.
Yeah, your neck's gonna cramp up.
No, I just fucked up my shoulder.
Don't fuck anything else up, please. I don't feel like sitting around with a goddamn wrench. Or socket and wrench. So we do an impact on a wrench. Okay. Oh. I have a 13 millimeter wrench, so I'm not half-inch perfectly in there. Okay. Then I seem like I need your help, but I do. Trust me. Wow. Okay. Actually holds the shit on. Okay, now this is where I'm going to need your help. Immediately, as soon as I get these bolts out, I'm going to need your help. So,
What?
the whole transmission is going to come down. Alright. Then you might need your help. You're going to hold it on the bottom.
I'll go on the other side. No, don't step on my cardboard.
Sorry.
I need to pick that up.
Let's go. I don't have cardboard. I don't care.
Oh yeah, you have a jacket on. Why don't you use this for?
Okay.
You
Ready?
heavy, motherfucker?
Huh?
You heavy, motherfucker?
Yeah, kind of.
Whatever. Kind of is better than
Just
that.
be ready. Yeah. Okay. Just hold on. Go even more apart. Shit. It's a fucking different size. Alright. Let it down. Slow that down. Good, right there. Right there for the minute.
Thank you.
I don't want to fuck with the brakes. I would rather just not have to do anything, but I have to. It's 11, I'm pretty sure. I have an 11 out. Is it an 11 or a 10? We'll find out. Yes.
I have an 11 right here.
No. Oh, yeah, actually, thank you.
Because yeah, there's 11, 12 on here. There's nothing.
Fuck it. 9, 10. I have my 10 here, so we'll see. Hopefully it's a 10. Yeah, it's a 10. I'm gonna just use my impact and rip it right off.
Alright, just tell me to hold the chain.
Nope, I gotta take some of that side off, which is holding the whole thing on. And you could, I guess, but.
Should I?
No. Alright, so here's the part that sucks. 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 Sucks.
Let me go on the other side.
Fucking with the belt is one thing that does suck.
Want me on the other side?
Yeah, because we're gonna have to take the whole transmission down. It's gonna be coming off in just a second here, so. In just a second, but I want to get the belt loop out of it so I don't have to fuck with that. Time comes. I may not want the whole goddamn belt out of this bitch. We're gonna get ourselves nice. Nice enough, buddy. Should I maybe order another dry belt? Sure. Since this one loves to fall off, it probably should. Alright, now, here is the terrible part. It's right here. You learn this and the transmission comes down.
Okay, I'll hold.
I'm being careful too, because I know what happens. I gotta have it. Okay, you got 2 hands on it?
Mm-hmm.
Good. These transmissions are pretty fucking expensive. I'll be honest. I even have another hand on it. Too. Okay. Now. Get out of there, you fucker. Slide forward. Hold it there. There we go. Alright, transmission's free.
Ah, my fingers.
Okay.
Ah, shit. Minor scratch.
Ah.
I'm waiting. That's good.
Sweet. You have done successfully. It was a lot easier than the last time. So you want to replace that?
Yep.
That is not good.
Need anything from anything over here?
Okay, let's go over to the counter. Oh, shit. Stay. Don't you dare fucking fall. That transmission fell. I just jumped off the deck at that point. I mean, I'd be done. Oh, it's a good thing I saved this Woodruff key, isn't it not?
Okay, I can record for you, because we're not sharing that. We're not
So the time lapse is just going to be nothing for a bit.
Well, for a little bit. Alright, flipping sides, I guess.
What do you mean?
Right there. I have to do this.
No, what?
Yes, it's upside down.
Oh, yeah, okay.
So
Alright. Ah, my shoe came untied. I'm going to
you
trim
have to
on that.
hold it this.
Oh, it goes out. That's right. And switch things. Oh, right. No, I don't. I start to do this. I start to flip sides. So that's, yeah.
Check the time lapse real quick. He's been going for 21 seconds, which equals 1 minute and 25 seconds for real time. While watching.
Yeah, like that's, it's even got that amount of play before it starts driving. That's why the belt likes to fall off, and that's why there's a delay a lot of the time. It's a new clamp, I'm pretty sure. Alright, get off of there. Gentle with it. Yes, the other one So I can do the brakes last. We just have to get this mounted properly and all that jazz. Okay. You can see, compared to the new one, this one's a bit worn down. So, alright. Now it goes in just like so. Take our new pulley. We line it up. Which, yeah, actually last time it's right, I'd have to hit it. Hold on. Damn it. Can't believe the amount of crap that's gotten in there. Now, stuff's going to keep falling there unless I flip the thing. So we're going to just turn this a bit. We're actually just going to turn that so it keeps falling there. I'm going to have it like that. It should make this a lot easier to clean up. Oh, yeah. That's right, I'm pretty sure I had to like tap it on last time. Not hammer it, but tap it on. A little key and just... You know, this is good if you can't get it on super easily, you know. But that's right, this key doesn't want to. Yeah, this is, like I said, not going to be a very clean video, so sorry about that. It's just this job sucks to do. There we go. I'm trying to have it going on right. Make sure the key, yeah. Okay, that's on all the way. You can see there's no play. It doesn't spin awkwardly. It spins nice and smooth, the way it should be. Where'd this key come from? Oh, hey, it came from there. So make sure we don't lose this. Let's do that with it. Okay, so this, then we're putting it back on, and then we're going back to the other thing. Okay. Oops. All right. I have it down far enough. Yeah, it's not going down any further. Come on, out of there. Perfect. Snap ring's on there, nice and good. Not gonna fall off. Yep. Hey. Look at that. See how there's no play side to side? Here's the old pulley. That's a little difference. That'll be the thumbnail. Doing the in-cap screen capture. Okay, whatever.
Took a few pictures for you.
Okay. Put it back on the stand. I'll carry this over. Hello.
Wait, this camera, do you want it this way? No, it started this way, so it's...
Yeah, it started that way.
Let's sit on here. Like that. Yep. There we go.
Alright. Now I get a position right. Oh, trust me, it's heavy going back in. That's when it's heavy. I want this back like that, so I don't have to fuck with the belt. Okay. Are you mentally prepared for this? We're gonna get this thing seated right. What I'm actually gonna do, right?
The only... Which I don't have legs right now, so it'll fit a little bit better. Hands, yeah.
Okay.
Pretty sure it is.
I'm putting a bolt on that side. Yeah, notice have the nut ready to go. And what I want you to do too is on This side, yeah, maybe not both bolts. Let's just do one. So there, now you have a guide. Get that to there. You lift it. And I'm doing the opposite way, so I'll balance up. Okay, ready? Here we go. Lift up.
Oh, I'm not seeing that heavy.
It's not, unless you're doing it by yourself. Okay?
Yeah.
How nice is your thing?
Well, I want to keep moving the whole thing, but yes.
It's going in.
It's yes.
Just hold on. Come on, pig. Come on, go on. No. Okay, all right. Now, get that one put in. I'll help you. You can just kind of hold that up.
There we go.
Now he's going further. Further, all the way.
Got it. I got it.
All right. Now just you can relax it, relax it, relax it. Okay. All right. Whew, we did it without bending the pulley. Let's go.
Alright, can you put that one side thing in?
One side thing. Oh, the shift thing?
Keep this up, like with this red bar.
It's not fitting? No, what's not fitting? Because that's where it bends, is on this side. If something's not fitting, you need to tell me.
That was not aligned. Absolutely no.
Oh, there was a bolt there. But, yeah, you also need to make sure that that goes up smooth too.
Where's the bolt for that? Oh, I don't actually know. That just moved.
It did. We're okay.
Alright, the bends are not.
Just put this front one on next. That's going to be important. We're going to make sure
the bends are going to be wrenches and hammers flying across the garage.
the pulley bends. I'm going to cry, literally. I'm going to break down and cry. We've done this so far, and it's been really, really easy. Okay. Then gently lift. I might have to lift this side as well in the front.
I could just move over there.
Just hold on. I'm gonna see what's happening first. What's hitting where? Oh, let me look.
Oh, right here.
That's where it meant last time.
Right there.
Okay, so
See?
what that means for me is, I don't know. That's what slid again and moved. I'm gonna get something to bend that. You and I might actually have to pull that thing. Pull. Let me just get over to this side. Oh, I know I'm gonna look stupid in the video doing this stuff, but it doesn't matter. As long as I don't have to lay down, I don't need my cardboard. Ah! I think I know the problem.
Need help?
Can you look up and see how the pulley looks? The way I bent it is I went to tighten it.
Still caught in there.
Okay. So, I know what that means. I have to lift it like this.
There now. Oh, now it's slid out again. No. Just hold on.
Hey, is there two bolts on that side?
Yes.
Get the second one out of there. Just the front one out.
Oh,
Or wait, are they both?
this little thing just fell out of something.
Oh, I know what that fell out of. I didn't cut that, so I wouldn't have noticed that. And then for you. Okay. So, make sure sure when I'm lifting it.
Oh, okay. You look pretty good there. Just go a bit more my way and then it'll fit.
The problem is it doesn't go your way. Okay, so then both you and I.
Maybe we need to put the bolt in first on that side.
Yeah. Or we just need to put the whole fucking thing at once. So my idea. We have that jack stand under there, so we're gonna put all our trust in that. Use our friendly neighborhood jack to help us. Because I think I would be able to use this, and we'd be a lot better off. In the name.
Put it on the side.
It's gonna be an awkward video, but I don't care. Get the whole transmission lifted up properly. Okay, we're gonna here, look here. Sit up, so you lift properly. Yeah. And what we're gonna do is we're gonna get a bolt completely threaded in on each side. Alright? Ready? Go up. Put a bolt in. Go. Yeah, lift the whole transmission out. Wait, okay, go ahead. Very gently. We're coming. Okay, good, we're gonna hold it there. You're sucked all the way up. No, push it up further. As far as it'll go.
I can't. There we go.
Hold it. Trust me, just hold it. Alright, good, let go. Good.
Oh, is it caught in the... I can't see it.
The belt is actually in the way.
Yeah, I can't see shit. Oh, it's not caught on there, when it...
I know.
It's the belt.
It's just we went in. It's just the belt that's caught.
Let's go.
Pulley isn't then.
No. It was nice. It's scraping, no?
It's not just the sound of it.
Ah, fuck me.
That hurt. I'm not gonna worry about that. Whew. Thank you for your help. A lot easier than I thought. Me too. For what happened last time, even if I have to fight the belt, I don't care. I made it. I got all the way in without it bending the pulley. Me having to spend another $50.
Okay, this is the one that goes to the thing? Right here?
Yeah. Let's set the other one there. So, there's still two. We're gonna get that side completely tightened down first. What the hell is this going to? Never good when you find a nut that you don't know what goes to, but
Oh, this one isn't all the way down.
so what you do is as long as
Got it, it's all the way down.
Alright.
Just how to unscrew
I
this
don't remember what millimeter those are. Oh, 13.
Well, half.
Alright, hold on, I'm just tying my shoe here.
I wonder what you're fucking up.
Should thread it a little bit, then kind of stop.
Okay. Oh, that's it.
Oh,
Yeah.
whoa! Well, I mean, it's still not. I mean, it's up. I just. Oh yeah. Yeah, we're good. I don't gotta worry about it bending.
37 minutes. 37 minutes.
What, on mine?
On mine.
How much am I?
36:26.
Okay.
Oh, there's this little. That's dirt. Yep.
I think I have these backwards. I have to admire that we got this thing in. Not bending the pulley for a minute here. See, look at that. And it's spinning nicely.
Here, I can't get a good angle. You have to just
Show it myself. See how the pulley spins? Getting bent. Nice and smooth, nothing's hitting. Just listen for a minute.
What was this do?
That's for the brake. So I'll also show it here.
Going back a certain way it goes in?
No, just take the phone. Okay. I'll show how to do the brakes in this video too. So I actually went through the brakes and cleaned up everything because the brakes were not a working order before. Let me just make sure this one, yeah, that's the right one. Okay, for the brakes, what you do is you first gotta put this on. Wait a minute, am I missing something? I'm trying to think. Yeah, I'm missing something. Hold on. There's like a plate that goes over that. I'm pretty sure. Or I might be wrong. Just give me 1 second. Oh,
This plate?
no. No. Much smaller than that. I took it this way. I don't know. I think I'm wrong.
I don't see anything.
I got it. So the plate's oh yeah, that's right. The plate is actually that's what touches this. This is your brake rotor. So okay. Now tighten that down because that you're supposed to tighten all the way. Get that as tight as you can. This part. Not as tight as you can, but make sure this is nice. Grip. There a plate? Does that look like it's gonna fall out in the back?
Maybe.
Yeah, because it's supposed to.
There's still a nut over here for something.
It's not for this. I mean, I'm pretty sure.
Do a pause? Pause it. Just pause.